Ready to uncover the secrets hidden within your WordPress website's traffic and transform your online presence? First, let's install Google Analytics. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugin section. Then click on Add New. In the search bar, type in GA4. Look for a plugin like GA4 for WordPress by Monster Insights or SiteKit by Google. These plugins make connecting to Google Analytics super easy. Click Install Now and then activate the plugin. Follow the plugin's setup wizard to connect your WordPress site to your Google Analytics account. You'll likely need to sign into your Google account and grant the plugin permission to access your analytics data. Now, let's explore Google Analytics. In your Google Analytics dashboard, you can see real-time data about who's on your site right now. Check out the Audience Overview report for a summary of key metrics like page views, sessions, and bounce rate. Page views show how many pages were viewed. Sessions represent individual visits, and bounce rate is the percentage of visitors who leave after viewing only one page. Under Acquisition, you'll find out where your visitors are coming from: organic search, social media, referrals from other websites, or direct traffic. The Behavior section shows you which pages are most popular and how users are interacting with your content, helping you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Alternatively, you can use a WordPress plugin like WP Statistics for simpler in-dashboard traffic tracking. It offers a basic overview without needing to leave your site. With these tools, you're now equipped to monitor your website's performance, understand your audience, and optimize your content for better engagement and search engine rankings. Happy analyzing!